Have to be honest with you, I do not feel like my husband loves me anymore. I feel sad, anxious, and honestly just very low. No matter how many positive messages I read, no matter what anybody says about me, I feel disgusting. I feel ugly. And that scares me because I'm strong, Lauren, right? I'm always the one being positive, always the one telling you to be confident, always the one saying, my husband treats me like a queen. But today, I don't feel that. Today, my brain is telling me, he's losing interest. You're not enough. You're not beautiful anymore. And here's the truth. This isn't my marriage. This is my hormones. Gotcha. They're telling me lies. It's that time of the month where your body turns your emotions max volume, where your nervous system is on fire, where your thoughts literally don't even make sense. And I know I'm not alone, ladies. I know I'm not alone. Every single woman feels this. Even the confident ones, the strong ones, even the ones who look unshakable online. So today, I did something different. I didn't pretend that I was fine. I told him the truth. I said, babe, I need major support and reassurance today because I am not okay. I'm in my luteal phase. Guess what he did? He stepped up. He got sweeter. He got softer. He took me to the gym. Because a real man doesn't love you only when you're glowing. He loves you when your mind is at war with itself. And believe me, this will pass. I'll be me again, calm again, strong again, but today I just needed to be held. Guys, please learn your girl's hormonal phases. Do it. Study it. Because the last thing that she needs is a fight. She just needs you to be there for her. It is your duty to understand her full circle.